In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Next Section button in Card. By the end, you'll have a clean Next button that smoothly scrolls visitors to the section you want, which is perfect for guiding people down a one-page site. First, head to card.co and open your dashboard. Choose the site you want to edit so you're in the builder. We'll start by creating a target for the button to scroll to. Click Add, then choose Control. In the panel that appears, change the type to Scroll Point. This creates an anchor on your page that the button can jump to. Drag this scroll point so it sits just before the content you want to reveal after the click. Think of it like a bookmark. When the page scrolls, it will stop right at this marker. Now copy the scroll point's name from the settings panel. You'll need this exact text in a moment. Keep an eye on capitalization and spacing. The link you'll create must match the name exactly for the jump to work. Next, let's add the button. Click Add again and choose Buttons. With the button selected, open its settings using the small arrow to expand more options. Change the label to something clear, like Next or Continue. In the URL field, type a hash symbol followed by the scroll point name you copied earlier. For example, if your scroll point is called Features, the URL should be #features. That tells the browser to scroll to that anchor on the same page. Card will handle the smooth scrolling automatically. Place the button where you want users to click, usually at the bottom of a section so it feels natural to continue. Adjust size, style, and alignment to match your design. When you're happy, click Done to save your changes in the editor. Now publish your updates. Click Publish, then Publish Changes. Once the site refreshes, choose View Site to test it live. Click your new button and confirm the page scrolls to the exact section you intended. If it doesn't, double-check that the hash in the button URL perfectly matches the scroll point name, and make sure the scroll point sits just above the content you want to show. A clear, short name makes troubleshooting easier. That's it. You created a reliable Next Section button in Card using a scroll point and a simple hash link. Repeat the same approach for additional sections to guide visitors through your entire page. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a smoother, more guided experience for your audience.